How to add schedule section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix. This is the homepage as you can see. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click section to page and wait a few seconds. It will take you here. Scroll down until you find the schedule section right here. Click on it and choose a schedule template. From here you have many templates. I'm gonna choose this one and wait a few seconds until they start adding this feature to my website. Now you can edit your schedule from here. As you can see, click edit and you will be able to edit the time, the name and the description of the item. It's so easy and fast to edit. Just click and you will be able to edit anything by clicking on it. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.